and I'm tripping out. The glasses are cool. I appreciate them. They help me see the lenses which I see the world through. I've just lost in my eyes, never to be found again. I tend to get a little anxious and excited to leave when I'm going on a trip. That was the same today. I'm driving, I'm like 3 hours into the trip, and I'm like, oh shit, what happened to my glasses? I wear glasses, this is how I see. I have sunglasses that have prescription in them, so I could see with the sunglasses because there's prescription, but the sun's going down. I wanted to switch my glasses. You can see where I'm going with this, right? I wanted to see with my regular glasses that aren't sunshades, right? Clear lens. And I freak out momentarily, pull over because I'm looking for the glasses. I can't find them. Where are they? So take a breath. I relax. And what I do is I look through my car a couple times, and then I come to the conclusion that the glasses are not in the car. So I relax. Again, you can see where I'm going with this. So I end up not finding the glasses, and I'm tripping out. The glasses are cool. I appreciate them. They help me see the lenses which I see the world through. I've just lost in my eyes, never to be found again. And then once I relax, I find my balance, my center, and I retrace my steps. And then I call my house, and I ask my mom, are my glasses there? She's like, I think these are them right there. So as I go into this junction, I just stop to put on contact lenses. And for the next day or two, I'll have to wear contacts until I get back to Clovis, to my glasses. So me, as I go forward into this journey, again, I'll go into more of why I'm sharing this story and this weekend once I get into Death Valley. But before I get there, I just think that it's interesting or meaningful or significant. There's some merit. For me, it's not random. I usually do not leave my shit behind or my glasses. This is very uncommon. This is my first time ever doing it with this pair of glasses. So it's interesting. I'm going into this visionary time, and literally the lenses at which I see the world through, or I have been seeing the world through, are now in, let's say, my past. And right now I've put on new lenses, literally contact lenses, as I drive into the dark, kind of the unknown of what's going to happen this weekend. So wanted to share this story and give Kyle some more audio content.